Alright, today we're going to practice naming chemical compounds. So I've put together this little flowchart that we're going to be following as we go through each of the kind of practice problems we're going to look at. So the flowchart says, what elements are bonded in the compound? So that's kind of our starting point. First we want to decide, do we have an ionic compound or do we have a covalent compound? So if it's ionic, then we're going to follow the metal and non-metal side. That, remember, means ionic. And we're going to figure out what type of metal we have. If we have a metal in groups 1, 2, or 3, those are kind of our normal groups. Remember, that's the lithium group, beryllium group, and the aluminum group. Then we have the normal metal, we're just going to name the metal, and the non-metal name ending in "ide." If we have a middle or a transition metal, including, remember, tin and lead, even though they aren't technically transition metals, they still kind of do the same thing, then we're going to find the Roman numeral we needed, and we have some steps to do that here. And then we're going to name the metal, add the Roman numeral, and then name the non-metal with our "ide" ending again. Remember, if the non-metal is a polyatomic ion, we're going to use the name that's given to us on the back of the periodic table. So we never have to memorize those, they're always on the back of our periodic table. So that's anytime we have a metal. If we don't have a metal at all, if we have two non-metals, we're going to just use our covalent prefixes and indicate how many of each atom we have. Okay, so let's get started.